Hi, this is Jay from LifeRx Wellness. Lately, a lot of people come with the injury and trauma. So what's happened now? I know it's summer is coming. Everyone want to be in the shape, and someone not reach the goal what they whatever want, put those jeans or the swimsuit, they try to push it more. And when they try to push it more, they create injury. And some people come in and say, "Oh yeah, the back was hurting, and I keep running or keep lifting weights, and that's now I can't even get up from the bed." Yes, so you overload the injured area. You never recover. You never recover from your old injury, or maybe your posture is poor because you come to the office, you're sitting for many hours, and after you get up, you try to go play golf or do some weightlifting, and that's create the issue trauma because you never check yourself, you never check those balance, you never check those mobility. Can I rotate in my torso to do golf? Can I do squats with the weights on my back if is that my hip is fine or my ankle is fine? So that's what you need to do. You need to do screening. You need to do physical screening, and with the FMS, it's a functional movement screening, or go to the specialist and do those testing. Test everything before you go to the gym. Make sure you're ready to go. Do not load poor posture, do not load injured joints or injured body. That's going to create more problem. So please stay away from injury, be injury free, and just come for us for like a maintenance. That's what we're looking for. Lately, a lot of pain, a lot of stress. It's also stress can aggravate everything. So be careful. As our clients, we're still open. We're still we're still doing therapy in the clinic. We still can go to your house. Give us a call, book us, and we'll try to help you. You guys have a wonderful day. Bye bye.